Hi, I'm Denise.
I'm Logan.
We interviewed two companies to learn how to do performance management in real companies.
The first company is the taxi company that is more than 60 years old in Imbukagil. And the second is a pet shop called Animate, which opened 3 weeks ago.
We will talk briefly about each company, its organizational structure, what talents they want, and how to manage those people.
And finally, we want to talk about what we learned when we interviewed the two companies. First, I want to introduce Blue Star Taxi Company. The company is the largest taxi company in Southland, serving the public for over 60 years. And the company serves 24-hour, 365 days of the year. This company has 6 operators. They take the calls, dispatch drivers. It's the main work in this company. In fact, the company did not play a role in managing drivers other than my expectation. Taxis and drivers were all part of the shareholders. The company is responsible for the phone calls and dispatch taxis as well as receiving monthly operating expenses from shareholders. The company wants employees have these kind of condition and abilities. Can work anytime, any days, 24 hours, 7 days works. Have common sense, understand customer what they want. Be patient. Sometimes they have a handle with rude customers. How the company managing the employees' performance? The company use computer-based program. It can check how many calls deal with per hour each per operator. It can calculate how efficiently workers work. And it records all call history, include voice, so manager can check and evaluate each operator's quality of service. This company don't give short-term incentive like weekly or monthly bonus or benefits. But every year, for directors evaluate workers' performance and they decide increase the workers' wage based on their efficiency and service quality. I think the company give big benefit to constantly and steadily sincere employees.
Animates is a pet store that sells pets, products, and pet services for all types of pets. The first store in New Zealand was in Christchurch in 1995. They opened the store in Invercargill 3 weeks ago. The organizational structure of the Animates is they have a CEO, a general manager, an area manager for regions, the store manager for each store, and the staffs. In Invercargill, they have 6 staffs. 3 of them are full-time employees. Animates look for people that like animals, have a retail background, preferable, and management background in case of manager positions. And our employees are trained to follow some steps that are greeting the customers, welcoming to the store, asking if they need any help or any question, overcome any objections they might have, asking if they need other things and adding on what they want, and offering to close the sale. For the performance management system, they have an agenda and do follow-ups with the team regularly. Also, the manager watch how employees deal with customers and give them feedback. They analyze if they are following the required steps, and if they have any issues, it is registered. Animates give rewards for employees that performed well to engage them, such as chocolates, samples, vouchers, treats, breaks. The manager usually gives them feedback because employees need to know what they are doing right and wrong. If they don't know what is wrong, they cannot change it. Likewise, employees need to hear positive reinforcement for things, the positive feedback, to motivate them to make them proud of the job they've done. We concluded that each business has a different performance management system. While Animates give employees gifts as a reward, Blue Star gives an increase in the salary for those who performed well.
We learned that it's important to evaluate the employees' performance, giving them feedback and reward to engage and motivate them to work efficiently.
And we know that there are different ways to manage the employees' performance.